Hi, I'm Lieutenant Claire Dufort with the Brunswick Fire Department, and we're here today to demonstrate the use of the Lucas device. We recently acquired 4 Lucas devices, one for each rescue, and these are mechanical CPR devices that are battery powered or also to be plugged in, and these are to help assist us on calls where we need to do chest compressions for a prolonged period of time. State protocols dictate that we're going to be performing chest compressions on scene for anywhere between half an hour up to an hour or more, and this process can be very physically taxing, and so having a mechanical device will help provide consistency of compressions and a better quality over time, and relieve some of the physical exhaustion upon the employees that are performing chest compressions. When we arrive on scene and find a patient unconscious and unresponsive, one of the first things we're going to do is check if the patient is breathing and if they have a pulse. And this would include if there was bystander CPR occurring. While we're verifying there is no pulse, we're going to move immediately to performing chest compressions. After at least 2 minutes of continuous manual compressions, we're going to move to the Lucas device and apply, if needed, to the patient to help with compressions. Application of the Lucas device will occur during a pause to switch compressors, which includes a pulse check and rhythm recognition at that time, to minimize the interruption in compressions. We are able to apply the device on top of the patient while compressions are being performed. With that, minimal amount of interruption occurs. Manual compressions are continuing to be performed, and as we have turned this machine on, I am now going to apply the mechanical device, and it is going to take over compressions. This is pre-programmed to compress at 100 beats per minute without interruption. We can also add pauses for respirations as needed, or we can pause it if we need to look at the underlying rhythm. Hit the pause button, it will pause for however long I have it on pause, and I will hit play and it will continue compressions. This battery is designed to run for about 45 minutes, and if need be, we can plug in the device for an even longer time period. The beauty behind the Lucas device is it performs continuous uninterrupted compressions at a set depth and rate for as long as there's battery power or as long as the device is plugged in. The machine performs without getting tired or compromising compressions, and it also frees up other team members to do other important things, such as manage the patient's airway, provide medications, talk to the patient's family, or do any other items that need to occur during this cardiac arrest scenario.